Did you know that the entire practice of buying NFTs applies to buying and selling digital real estate as well? Now, I don't want to say buying digital real estate in the metaverse is a piece of cake, but one thing you need to know is that if you've dabbled in a bit of NFT purchases, the same rules apply for buying digital real estate as well. Now, if that's the case, you probably want to know, where can you buy digital real estate? Or maybe I should say, which platforms can you utilize to make these such investments? Good news! If you follow the exact steps listed in this video, you'll learn step by step how to set up your digital real estate account in the metaverse, so keep watching until the end to find out. First and foremost, millions of dollars are being spent today to acquire virtual land, and those who purchase it now know that it's a wise investment with the potential for future rewards. Some investors even predict that virtual land will follow in the footsteps of Bitcoin's initial success, making virtual land similar to a Bitcoin investment. The majority of metaverse platforms may be quickly accessed through a desktop platform on your PC or computer, which most of you probably already have. This will provide potential buyers like yourself with an overview of the land that is currently available, as well as important information such as location, total area, average prices, utility potential, and transaction history. Trust me, you'll need all the information you can get, especially if you're putting your hard-earned money into a digital property. Then you'll want to open an account on a marketplace or secondary NFT site like OpenSea and Binance NFT. You'll want to look at the marketplace to know exactly what it is that you want to buy. But keep in mind that land in the metaverse is traded as NFT, and as a result, the ownership deed is recorded on what's called a blockchain. This was created to help protect owners from fraud and scam purchases. I guess this is another perk aside from the fact that you could own a plot of land close to your favorite celebrity, such as Snoop Dogg, with just a few clicks from the comfort of your own home. Before making any purchases, make sure to complete the following steps. Number 1. Create a digital crypto wallet. You can't possibly make any purchases in the metaverse without a crypto means of payment. It's like playing Monopoly, just without Monopoly money. So the first thing to consider is getting a digital wallet. Most metaverses will require you to have a cryptocurrency to conduct transactions. Naturally, a digital wallet will be required to hold your virtual money and digital possessions, especially the NFT. The wallet you select will be determined by the metaverse platform you are utilizing. I strongly suggest you consider a digital wallet that may be immediately integrated into your web browser for the greatest potential experience. Wallets that require you to make browser extensions can be stressful and limiting, especially when you don't know how to make them. Two popular digital wallets with trusted apps and websites include MetaMask and Binance Chain Wallet. However, regardless of which crypto wallet you use, be sure to support the currency of the virtual project you intend to invest in. Metaverse platforms will often indicate which are favored and how to connect them, but always double-check so you don't waste time or money. Because having a currency that isn't one your platform supports and runs on basically leaves your wallet useless for that purpose. Number 2. Buy cryptocurrency. The next step after getting yourself a crypto wallet is filling it with resources. After selecting the plot of land, you'll need enough of your metaverse's in-platform currency to make transactions. Some of the most popular currencies, such as Mana, Sand, and Ethereum, are easily purchased on exchanges such as Binance, Coinbase, MEXC, and KuCoin. Most people overlook this, but when purchasing or carrying out any transactions in general, always make sure you've got the right and complete wallet address. If you copy and paste an incomplete address, the currency, whatever it is and how much it is, simply disappears before you know it. Cryptocurrencies are always moving, dipping, and rising. This shapes the flexibility of the entire crypto space and the metaverse itself. When choosing a virtual project, it always is safe to check the degree of stability the project's currency has. I mean, obviously buying virtual land that will depreciate in value after a short time doesn't seem like a good idea, so always check out the currencies. Read through their white papers and familiarize yourself with the expected movements. I know it sounds like a lot of work, but it's worth it if you plan on reselling the project. I feel we all plan to resell, but since the metaverse is the future, you never know what may happen. Number 3. Choose your metaverse. Unless you already have a virtual land project in mind, you should compare available options before making a final decision. Top platforms such as Decentraland and Sandbox sell virtual lands using currencies like Mana and Sand. The size and quality of land will differ from one metaverse to the next. You should be able to easily examine facts like pricing, overall size, and current owner throughout this phase. Now, I've covered a few of the most popular metaverses that sell land, but before we get into the specifics, keep in mind that most platforms will only have a limited number of parcels available. Honestly, we all hope this contributes to increased digital scarcity and a thriving virtual economy. What is Decentraland? Decentraland is divided into 90,601 equal-sized virtual land plots, whereas the Sandbox is made up of 166,000 plots, which the platform refers to as virtual lands. However, there are many other options available, each with territories suitable for a wide range of activities such as advertising, business, services, and events. For a bird's eye view of the current market, you can check virtual world rankings on the platform OpenSea. I feel it's the most user-friendly and easy-to-access platform out there. Here is a list of the top metaverses. The Sandbox. Lots on the Sandbox are labeled as land and can be found on the Sandbox's own platform or secondhand on some third-party NFT exchanges such as OpenSea. Keep in mind that in official sales, these have traditionally been more expensive than land. Next up is Decentraland. Land in this metaverse is among the most expensive, with plots selling for millions of dollars. Much of Decentraland's popularity stems from the platform's high-profile partnerships with brands, as well as its celebrity and influencer tenants. Next would be crypto voxels. This is a digital world that was originally made up of only 3,026 parcels. You've probably never come across or stumbled into this metaverse. These can be purchased through primary sales or through OpenSea in exchange for both USD and Ethereum. Unlike other metaverses, Crypto Voxels has grown and now has 7,351 parcels. This is an underrated metaverse platform that has been constantly rising. Last on the list is Somnium Space. This metaverse debuted in 2018 and is known for its games and NFT art. The platform has 5,000 unevenly divided land parcels as of the beginning of this year. More land is expected to be released in the future. Somnium Space's currency is called Cube, and plots of land can be found easily on OpenSea. Based on my research, the ones mentioned are just a few of the ones providing significant, progressive value. Do your research, find a comfortable metaverse with a stable currency, and proceed with your purchase. Number 4. Make your purchase. Once you have a digital money in your digital wallet and you finally picked a plot of land, you can simply head to the metaverse's marketplace or OpenSea and then click Buy. Once your real estate transaction is confirmed and executed, you should be able to see your NFT in your digital wallet. Now you'll be officially recorded as the new owner of the land. It's as simple as that. From here, you may decide to hold on to your property for a while, build something on top of it, or relist it and sell it again, hopefully for a profit. The next decision you make depends solely on you. Always pay attention to the trends on the market and hope for a stable run as time goes by, until you relist for a profit. You could go ahead and get more plots to invest in. It's all on the strategy you have in mind. Now, if you still have questions about building a digital real estate business in the metaverse, watch this video next where I'll explain step by step how to buy virtual land in the metaverse. If you found any of this helpful, hit the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm so it can be spread to more people. Click the video on the screen now, and I'll see you in the next one.